Thutha wa ndũgamano ya muthenya wa ira kuria Mumbunge wa NAIVASHA Kihara arakorirwo agikio ngono ya abithaa rũhonge rwa DCI na collaboration ya Afrithi umuthi Kihara ni arugamirio bao-ini mwena wa Milimani mwena wa thitango kimukuruhania na mahitia ma UCOGERI ngwe. Ona kuri uguo Kihara danetĩka thitango iria arathitangwo nacio cia UCOGERI wa ngwe thutha wa mawakiri yake kuregana na thitango icio na kwendekithia igoti riciteanirie rikiuga itiri na muthingi na iraterevoki uteti.
This is nothing. Nothing, Your Honor. Nothing short of political persecution which this country cannot accept.
We have a concern with that.
There is nothing insulting on the face of this. There is nothing abusive. And with tremendous respect to the office of the runner DPP, this is the kind of offense that used to be charged, that usually is used to charge a drunken man. the drunken man in a market center.
Wakiri yake MATONGORETIO ni KALONZO MUSYOKA na NDEGWA magititiriria ati thitango ici ni ciagararite ihoto cia Kihara na wiyathi wake wa kwiyaria.
That when seated there, Your Honor, you are bound by the values of human rights. And where do you get these values from? The Bill of Rights. So are you then supposed to apply the Bill of Rights selectively, exclusively, and in a limited manner?
So we urge that you order immediate release of Honorable Jane Kihara, and we ask our colleagues in the political space to just adhere to the Constitution. That's all we are saying.
Mwena wa thitango gitongorio ni Victory Owiti ukiuga ona kurwo kwina wiyathi wa kwiyaria kuri mihaka iria mundu atabatie gukira.
I've never been booked, so nimefika climax. Kwa hivyo mtu akifikiria ataninyamazisha ajue amesahau. Tena niambie President Ruto, with Ishongwa as your friend, you don't need any other enemy. With Ishongwa around you, you need no other enemy.
Arathitangwo agikuruhanio na UCOGERI wa thayo wa muingi na njira ya gukuruhania thirikari na uhuthiri wa nyanake iria ciakorirwo igithukagio indo cia muingi akiuga ciatwaragwo na ngari cia thirikari na makiria bathi ya NYS mwena wa Karagita akierekeria Kiara kuri President William Ruto. Wakiri yake makiuga aragagio ni tondu wa murugamo wake wa kiuteti na ndeto iyo ndirigaine nginya na gatiba ya 2018.
It follows therefore, Your Honor, that with the enactment of the new constitution, the ODPP who has brought us here this morning ought to have been alive to the provision of section 7 to the 6th schedule to the constitution.
If there was a law existing before this constitution, then read it with the necessary adoption, alteration, or amendments to bring it into conformity with this constitution.
My age ni hii. To fight for Kenyans, to fight for my people. Hata kama ningewekwa cell wiki mzima, I am prepared.
Ciro uyu gacokereria tariki 29 mweri uyu riria igoti rigatua kana Mumbunge Jane Kihara ni abatie guthitangwo na thitango ici ikanaca. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.